In this video, we are going to do an activity which is acid-base test and a neutralization reaction. How to identify acid solution and base solution with the help of litmus paper, and what is neutralization reaction. So here you can see that what are the materials required. So one is pipette, which is having a hydrochloric acid in it, and one bowl is contains dilute hydrochloric acid, another bowl which contains sodium hydroxide. Okay, some small mistake is there here, sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide is NaOH, dilute HCl is HCl, and in this conical flask or beaker, sodium hydroxide and phenolphthalein solution is added into this. Now we are going to add a hydrochloric acid to this solution. In this solution already, which is what is present in this sodium hydroxide, NaOH is already present, and a phenolphthalein indicator is present in this. Okay, sodium hydroxide and phenolphthalein. What we are going to add in this? Dilute HCl. We are going to add dilute HCl, that is hydrochloric acid HCl. So the reaction between NaOH and HCl in the presence of phenolphthalein solution. So this is a phenolphthalein is an indicator. Okay, and now what we are going to do here is first to take a solution which is hydrochloric acid. This is a hydrochloric acid solution in this bowl, and then take two papers. One is blue litmus paper and another is red litmus paper. And for acid solutions, keep it in mind, for acid solutions, red paper should be red, okay, for acids, and blue paper has to turn into a red color. Blue paper turns to red. If it turns to red, then we can say that that is acid solution. Okay, so simply keep here A and then say that it is bar. Blue turns to red, that is acid, Ba or bar. And for base solutions, blue paper should be blue, but red paper should it has to turn into blue, RBB, okay, or BB. If red paper turns to blue, that is base. If blue paper turns to red, that is acid. We'll see whether it will turn or not. Now slowly dip the red paper in this hydrochloric acid and keep for 1 or 2 minutes. Simply, or we can keep for 30 seconds in that, and then take it out. Observe the color of red paper. Is there any change in the color? Little bit, that is wet, but there is no change in the color. Now keep our blue paper in this solution and then observe it. Is it turning into any other color? Solution is acidic. How we are saying it is an acidic solution? Because this blue paper is completely turned into a red when it is immersed in this solution. So which type of solution it is? Acidic solution. Hydrochloric acid solution is a acidic solution. So here blue paper turns to red. Which solution it is? Acidic solution. Is it clear? And now look at here. In this solution, dip the blue paper and then observe is there any change in the blue color paper. And then take it out. If you observe, there is no change in the color. If you observe here a little bit, it is wet because we immersed in the water, that is hydrochloric sodium hydroxide solution. Okay. Now instead of blue paper, repeat the same procedure with red paper. Then observe here. What do you notice? The solution is basic. How you are saying it is a solution is basic solution? Why? Because this red paper turns into blue paper, which is the part of the paper which is immersed in the solution is turned into blue paper. We know if red paper turns into blue, which type of solution that is? Basic solution. Is it clear? If red paper turns to blue, that is basic solution. If red paper turns to blue, that is basic solution. If blue paper turns to red, that is acidic solution. Is it clear? Now look at the neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? What is neutralization reaction? When acid reacts with base, it gives salt plus water. So in this beaker, already sodium hydroxide is there. So what is sodium hydroxide? Just now we have done that experiment to identify what type of solution that is. Sodium hydroxide is this one, NaOH. Which type of solution it is? Basic solution. Is it right? And at the same time, we have done the one more experiment, that is with the help of hydrochloric acid also we have identified which type of solution that is. It is an acidic solution. So here already basic solution is present in this NaOH, that is which is base. Now we are going to add with the help of dropper. Okay, dropper, what we are going to add here? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. So that is acidic in nature. Simply add that one. Now look at here. Why I did like this means we should keep on adding the solution. We should keep on adding the solution and until it neutralizes. So here the solution is neutralized and it forms a white salt and water. Okay, so the reaction in which acid reacts with base. So this is basic solution. Acid is HCl, dilute HCl, and both gets react, and which gives salt plus water. So now the solution is neutralized solution. Is it clear? So how to identify acidic solution? If blue paper turns into red color, that is acidic solution. How to identify basic solution? If red paper turns to blue, that is basic solution. Okay, then how will you identify that the neutralized solution or neutral solution? When acid completely reacts with base, or acid reacts with base, or base reacts with acid, and if we continuously keep adding that solution, either acid to base or base to acid, then at one point it gets neutralized and it gives salt plus water. Is it clear? So this is the activity. If you want to repeat, you can repeat by adding or by taking these papers. Okay, take it.